Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mahant Innovations. So today in this video we are going to learn how to check electrolytic capacitor using a multimeter. First, set your multimeter on buzzer range. In this capacitor, this black white line is the negative side and black line is the positive side. First, short your capacitor by touching the both terminals. So connect the negative probe to the negative side and positive probe to the positive side. You can hear a short beep sound from your multimeter. Means the capacitor is taking charge. Now reverse your polarity and connect the positive probe to the negative point and negative probe to the positive point of the capacitor. Now you can hear a long beep sound from your multimeter. So the capacitor is taking charge and giving discharge. Means this capacitor is okay. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.